Winds are back. That's one of the things you need to know about your weather for today and the weekend. Warmer weather is expected. The winds and the warmer weather combined bring an elevated fire threat to North Texas. We're also talking about the potential for Sunday storms. It's not for everyone, but if you are traveling to the east or southeast, that's something that you need to be aware of. We do have a red flag warning that's already in place until 6 this evening. It does include Wise, Parker, Hood County towards the west. This is for wind gusts close to about 40 miles per hour. That's helping drop the humidity down as low as 10%. And of course, the warmer weather, the dry dormant vegetation, all of those are factors to bring critical fire danger levels to our far western counties. The rest of North Texas, most of the rest of North Texas under an elevated fire threat. The wind's not as high as our western counties, but certainly low humidity. It is breezy out there. This does include DFW, so just go ahead and avoid any outdoor burning. This is how the winds will act. This is showing you through the afternoon. I'm going to stop the clock mid-afternoon around about 3. We're going to see wind gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour across a big portion of the area. Winds are generally going to calm down this evening, but they're not going anywhere. They kind of come back during the afternoon on Saturday and on Sunday as well. The south wind, though, the breezy south wind is what's helping those temperatures climb about 78 degrees in Dallas, 77 in Fort Worth, and in the low 80s in western North Texas. If you're wondering why it's warmer out there, it's because of dry air. Dry air tends to warm up faster. Strong southerly winds also help bring in the heat. So those temperatures again climbing over the weekend. We're expecting the 80s for DFW with a cold front coming in Sunday afternoon and evening. That's going to help drop our highs briefly into the mid 70s. Still technically warmer than normal for this time of the year before we see that temperature climb right back into the 80s. So let's talk a little bit about that front. We stay mostly dry. Most of Texas stays mostly dry with this cold front coming in. So this is showing you Saturday around 7 p.m. That front will make it into areas of the panhandle. Ahead of the front, it stays dry and windy. That's why it'll still be a little breezy on Saturday as well. Now on Sunday, the closer that front gets, we could see some added cloud cover develop and maybe even some showers starting to spark up southeast Texas to east Texas. But look at this. The front arrives between 4 and 5 in the afternoon on Sunday, and it's going to help bring in the cloud cover, but the rain chance is really looking slim to none. The higher threat for storms will be in East Texas, or if anywhere along our eastern states, anywhere closer to Louisiana, Arkansas, maybe even Mississippi. That's where the threat for severe weather is. Henderson County under that marginal risk, but that's really about it for us. I mean, if we see a strong storm, it's going to be well to the east of DFW. Only a 10% coverage of rain Sunday afternoon and evening for us, slightly higher the more southeast you go. And even then, it's only about a 20%. So we stay pretty dry over the next 7 days. We'll see highs in the 70s and 80s, slightly better opportunity for rain as we head towards the end of the month. And then the beginning of April, looking sunny with highs in the 70s, Chris.
Okay, thank you, Marielle.